Hello dear friends, welcome back to our channel, welcome back to the new video and a new crafts. Today we are going to teach you how to make a paper airplane like this. It is easy to make it because by doing so, I mean by our way, it would fly really far. For example, it will fly from air to the moon. Just make it joking. First of all, we are going to fly it and then make it. But due to windy weather, we have to travel really far to find the best place to fly it. And after flying, we are going to teach you how to make it. Anyway, keep supporting us by liking our video, subscribing our channel and sharing our video with your friends. Thank you so much.